One way to enhance the game is to add animations. Animations use a sequence of pictures to create the illusion of motion and make your sprites more realistic. We'll enhance our spaceship sprite by adding a flame that appears when the thrust button is pressed. Click the rocket ship sprite to go to its code workspace. Click the Costumes tab. This displays the sprite costumes we'll use for our animation. Drag the rocket ship E costume to the top of the costume stack. This makes the costume with no flame the default. Now we'll create the code that animates the spaceship rocket flame. Click the Code tab and add these code parts to the rocket ship code workspace. Note that instructions that modify a sprite's costumes are found in the Looks menu. Use these code parts to create a thread that animates the rocket flame by showing each costume in sequence as long as the space key is pressed. Pause the video now to try it yourself, or let it play to see the solution. Now press the flag button to try it. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.